Scrypted is a application that allows me to inject my unified cameras into Apple Home. I used to use Homebridge. I need to reintroduce my. I changed my whole network up. I need to reintroduce my cameras into Apple Home. So there we go. So it wants me to build and create 600, 2 cores, 4 gigs, 512 with swap, 16 gigs, right name server. And it's going to be 20.91 address. This will probably error. No? Oh yeah, it did. It's a template. Let's see if it figures that out. Yeah. It wants to check the current, I think it's 12.13 or 13.1. I'm sorry. 13.1. Okay. And it wants me to start the container, then enter the container, update once inside. Oh, for now. Okay. All right. So let's add user. Okay. Should have SU. Run the curl. Install Scrypted. So I created the user. I went into the user and I ran the curl to install Scrypted. It's asking for the user password. Yeah. So let's get out of the container. There we go. That's weird. It's root, but still tell us. Okay, well, I'm gonna need well, I'm not gonna tell it. I'm gonna ask it. Okay, so I do have one. I don't remember the password. I don't. Let's get rid of them. The old one. May 27th. Last month. Okay. Oh, that's when my old node went down. So let's remove this guy. Okay, we're gonna create new. New user. Username will be scripted. Local access only, right? I don't know if I need a first name or last name. I don't remember. Let's give it a pass. Ooh, 12 characters. Okay. Nope. Ooh, I have a scripted role. Wow, full management too. I know that's you, and that's the NVR console. Why did I give access to that? I have a feeling that we don't need access for this. They just it just needs access to NVR console full management. I mean, it's a local user. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's a local user. Protect inner space. I don't even use inner space. And control plane. That's the one that worries me the most. Because they don't need access to control plane. You know what? Let's modify the role. Let's see how this works. If we run into any issues, we'll figure it out. But this is all they need. This is all. This gives access to the console, I believe. So we should be fine. Okay. Why is this stable? Yes. Okay. Yes, 2 different VLANs. That's my default. This is my camera VLAN. So after the account is created, make sure you. So yes. Save. We will need. Oh no! Oh nope! I don't tell it what. We're just going to AI is building our Proxmox node, so let's ask it. Our package install as root. Yes. Let's see what it says here. I like that. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think it did. I think it started it again. Let's see if it gets a little upset here. Obviously, I won't put this into the notes. Just want to see what it does here, or what it says, or how it responds. Okay. Yep. No, it did not finish. All right. Healthy. Wants me to go to Scrypted. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so that installed Scrypted. And this is Scrypted. You will install plugins, specifically Unify. I need to get the cameras in though. So it's going to prompt for, this will be my Scrypted. And let's see if this will be the Scrypted Unify local account I created, right? Yeah. So this would be, yes, this is my NVR. Save. Those are my cameras. Right, that loads up. From what I remember, there you go. That's from my house. We have to add them to home. I'm not sure if we need a HomeKit though. That HomeKit plugin, I have to double check. But just check the stream. Stream looks good. Stream looks good. Stream looks good. Stream looks good. I want to do that one. That's my kids' room. Okay. So we have that. Okay. They will probably fail right now because we haven't created a firewall rule yet. Oh, well, it's not failing. But let me tell you why it's probably not failing. I have a rule which I've been trying to get rid of for a very long time, and it's allow defaults to all VLAN. It allows my default Proxmox, right? My default, because Proxmox is on my default VLAN. It allows my default to all VLANs. So Scrypted is running on my default, and it has access to my VLAN. So that's probably why I disabled this, right? And once that's disabled, my printer stopped working. I didn't want to set up another firewall rule for my printers. So I'm thinking that's why. I may be wrong, but that's the only thing I could think of. We have the plugin. And it's not even asked. Let's see what it tells us to do, which means Scrypted is installed, Docker is working correctly, Scrypted can already reach UNVR. It wants me to go to the config of the 600. Okay, it wants me to confirm onboard equals on boot equals 1. It does. Startup order, startup order 40. Let's go to, oh, there we go. Install plugin. Let's look for HomeKit. There it is. I'm going to install this. There we go. Click on that icon. I don't modify anything here. One thing you want to have set up already, and I should have said, should have mentioned that. This is the front door, right? So you want to have, by default, I had another image. Oh, I reset everything. Okay. Oop. Sorry about that. Where is it at? There we go. By default, maybe it's just my NVR, but when I received my NVR, by default, it was only on low resolution. You have to enable medium and high. I have them all enabled. I don't change anything here. You can click on HomeKit. Take your HomeKit app, your home app, on your iPhone, iPad, wherever you have it, and add the device. It is as simple as that, and you just do each one. That's about it. Hope that helps. Okay, and let me know what other apps we should install.